Okay, we did all of this off camera, but we came through tonight and we finished closing up all of the corner seams between the wall and the ceiling. We started using just normal tape, sheetrockers tape, drywall tape, then it went better. The corner beads that we were using, I suspect, may have been for an outside bead usage, and we were using them for an inside. It was very difficult to get them to lay into the corner, and it took a long time trying to work it in and soften it up. It worked, but the other stuff worked the way that it's supposed to. Just get it wet, fold it in half, push it into the corner, squeeze out the excess mud, and there'll be extra coats that are needed on some of these seams, but for now the garage is completely sealed in. All the seams have at least one coat, some like this one have two. A couple of them will need a little bit more touch up to tidy it up, and then next up will be primer and possibly even some paint. So yeah, you didn't get to see us do it, but you get to see it done.